and death.
Another day, another baddie behind bars. And I couldn't have done it without me. But to be a true hero requires both grace and humility. And that's why I got you two a present.
Please don't let it be another signed copy of his awful book. Oh, goody! A present?
I hope you like it.
This is your dry cleaning receipt.
Pickups Tuesday at 5. My suedes are damaged, I'm holding you accountable. A pig in the pokey, the animals are safe, and Bubsy has no idea what's going on. This feels like home. Yes, this is moi. Where? What? Who? When? How? Well, I never. I'll be right there. Who was it? I'm afraid that's on a need-to-know basis, Virgil. All I can tell you is trouble's on the horizon, and I'm the only one who can stop it. You know what that means.
It was a wrong number.
We're all doomed. The rock wasn't available.
Oh, they've got jokes. No! It means Bubsy will be back in...
Wait, what? You said you were taking me fly fishing after this.
Oh, I say a lot of things, Arnold. I say so many things.
Look. See how that one's see how the quality, see how that one's not all banged up, but this one is?
Wow.
See the year on it? What's the year on that? 18 something? Yeah, this is like
1889.
Yeah.
1889. They're both 1889.
Yeah, that's
Points.
a long time ago. That's like over 100, yeah, over a century years old. 1922.
2 centuries. And entries old. Hooray!
What's this weird thing? Whoa! Hey! Oh! Welcome to my laboratory, filthy creature. Bubsy, my
Tag me in.
Try evading this! Do I have to do everything myself? Oh yeah! How dare you touch me! Nothing organic can stand up to my superior robotics. Engage your robotic arm immediately. My annoyance has no bounds. Do I have to do everything myself?
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Do I have to do everything myself? Do I have to do everything myself?
When I was 10 years old.
Like snorting Scooby Snacks was a good idea, Scoob.
Organic hair is getting everywhere. By my annoyance has no bounds. Uh-huh.
When I was 10 years old, what's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Try if
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
your organic hair is getting everywhere. Oh, by my annoyance has no bounds. Perhaps two into the trick. Oh yeah! Impossible! How could someone like you beat me?
Bleats me.
I hate you
Skill issue.
so much!
Skill issue. Skill issue.
Skill issue.
What a
Like snorting Scooby Snacks was a good idea, Scoob. Like snorting Scooby Snacks was a good idea, Scoob. Like snorting Scooby Snacks was a good idea, Scoob.
I'm exhausted. I've got cramps in places I didn't even know existed.
Gross.
You did well, Bubsy.
I knew it! I knew you'd say my name right at the end. Would a hug be pushing it?
Ugh, yes.
Okay.
Uncles made things awkward again.
That's Bubsy for you.